Picture this. Turquoise water sparkles in the sun. A hidden beach lies nestled below. Towering cliffs stand guard. This is Kelingking Beach. It's a sight you won't soon forget. The view from the top will take your breath away. It's a true natural wonder. The colors are so vibrant, it's like something out of a dream. I've seen a lot of amazing places, but Kelingking Beach stopped me in my tracks. The sheer scale of it is incredible. It's nature at its most dramatic. I felt a surge of adrenaline. This was an adventure waiting to happen. I couldn't wait to get down to the beach and explore this hidden paradise. Getting to Kelingking Beach is a journey. It's not for the faint of heart. You'll need to navigate bumpy roads and steep cliffs, but trust me, it's worth it. The trek down to the beach is challenging, but the views along the way are stunning. Just remember to wear proper shoes and bring plenty of water and tea. Kelingking Beach is located on Nusa Penida. This stunning beach is one of the most photographed spots in Indonesia, known for its unique T-Rex-shaped cliffs and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The beach is nestled in a secluded cove, surrounded by dramatic cliffs that drop steeply into the ocean. It's a place where nature's raw beauty is on full display, offering visitors a sense of awe and wonder. Nusa Penida is a small island off the coast of Bali. Despite its size, the island is packed with natural wonders and cultural treasures. It's part of the Lesser Sunda Islands and is separated from Bali by the Badung Strait. The island is accessible by a short boat ride from Bali, making it a popular day trip destination for tourists looking to escape the hustle and bustle of Bali's more crowded areas. Nusa Penida is known for its rugged beauty. The island's landscape is characterized by steep cliffs, rocky coastlines, and dramatic vistas that take your breath away. The terrain is wild and untamed, offering a stark contrast to the more developed areas of Bali. Visitors can explore hidden beaches, secret caves, and scenic viewpoints that provide panoramic views of the island and the surrounding ocean, and its incredible marine life. The waters around Nusa Penida are teeming with vibrant coral reefs and a diverse array of marine species. It's a paradise for divers and snorkelers who come from all over the world to experience the underwater wonders. You can encounter manta rays, sea turtles, and a variety of colorful fish as you explore the island's rich marine ecosystems. The island is a haven for adventurers. You can go diving, exploring the depths of the ocean, and discovering hidden underwater caves. Snorkeling is another popular activity, allowing you to get up close and personal with the vibrant marine life. For those who prefer to stay on land, there are numerous hiking trails that take you through the island's rugged terrain, offering stunning views and a chance to connect with nature. Snorkeling or hiking. Each activity offers a unique way to experience the island's natural beauty. Whether you're exploring the underwater world, trekking through the lush landscapes, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Nusa Penida has something for everyone. The island's diverse range of activities ensures that every visitor can find something that suits their interests and sense of adventure, or simply relax on one of its pristine beaches. The beaches on Nusa Penida are some of the most beautiful in the world, with soft white sand and clear blue waters. Kelingking Beach, in particular, is a perfect spot to unwind and soak up the sun. You can lay on the sand, listen to the sound of the waves, and let the natural beauty of the island wash over you. It's a place where you can truly relax and escape from the stresses of everyday life. Kelingking Beach is the jewel in its crown. The iconic T-Rex-shaped cliffs are a sight to behold, and the beach itself is a hidden gem that offers a sense of tranquility and seclusion. As the sun sets over the horizon, the sky is painted with vibrant hues of orange and pink, creating a magical atmosphere. It's a place where you can feel a deep connection with nature and experience the true essence of an island paradise. Section 5. The Mighty T-Rex. What makes Kelingking Beach so unique? It's not just the pristine sands or the crystal clear waters, it's the incredible T-Rex-shaped cliff that captures the imagination of everyone who visits. This natural wonder is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature and its ability to create shapes and forms that leave us speechless. The T-Rex-shaped cliff is the crown jewel of Kelingking Beach. From a certain angle, the cliff's contours and edges resemble the head and jawline of a Tyrannosaurus rex. one of the most fearsome predators to have ever walked the earth. This resemblance is so striking that it has become a must-see landmark for tourists and nature enthusiasts alike. This natural rock formation is truly awe-inspiring. The way the waves crash against the cliff, the dramatic play of light and shadow during sunset all contribute to the majestic aura of this place. It's a scene that evokes a sense of wonder and reminds us of the raw beauty and power of the natural world. It's like something out of Jurassic Park. The lush greenery surrounding the cliff adds to the prehistoric feel, making it easy to imagine dinosaurs roaming the area millions of years ago. The cinematic quality of the landscape makes it a perfect backdrop for photos and videos, capturing the essence of a time long past. The cliff gets its name from its resemblance to a Tyrannosaurus rex. This iconic shape has made it one of the most photographed and recognizable landmarks in the world. The clear blue skies often provide a perfect contrast to the rugged rock formations, making the T-Rex cliff stand out even more. You can see the head, the jaw, and even the tiny arms. The details are so precise that it's almost as if nature itself was sculpting a tribute to the mighty dinosaur. These features make the cliff not just a geological wonder, but also a fascinating subject for study and admiration. It's a sight that will stay with you forever. The grandeur and uniqueness of the T-Rex-shaped cliff leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you're a casual tourist or a seasoned traveler, the experience of seeing this natural marvel is something that will remain etched in your memory for years to come. The iconic silhouette of the T-Rex cliff against the backdrop of the ocean is a scene that epitomizes the beauty and mystery of our planet. Section 6. When to go walkabout. The best time to visit Kelingking Beach is during the dry season. This is from April to October. The weather is sunny and dry, perfect for exploring. Try to arrive early in the morning or later in the afternoon. You'll avoid the crowds and have the beach to yourself. Trust me, it's magical. Section 7. Be prepared. Safety first always. The hike down to Kelingking Beach is steep. The path can be slippery. Wear sturdy shoes with good grip and take your time. Bring plenty of water to stay hydrated. The sun can be intense, so wear a hat and sunscreen and be mindful of your surroundings. Section 8, a local yarn. The locals will tell you stories about the T-Rex cliff. Legends say it's a giant lizard turned to stone by the gods. It's a reminder of the power of nature. These stories add to the mystique of Kelingking Beach. They remind us that we are just visitors in a place of ancient beauty and wonder. Section 9, worth the trek. Kelingking Beach is a must-visit. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Nusa Penida, this beach is renowned for its unique T-Rex-shaped cliff. The panoramic views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, offering a breathtaking sight of the turquoise waters crashing against the rugged cliffs. It's a place that promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. It's a true hidden gem. Despite its growing popularity, Kelingking Beach retains an air of seclusion and mystery. The beach is often less crowded compared to other tourist spots, making it a perfect getaway for those seeking tranquility. The pristine white sands and crystal clear waters create a serene environment that feels like a slice of paradise. The journey may be challenging, but the reward is worth it. The trek down to the beach is steep and can be quite demanding, requiring a good level of fitness and caution. However, the sense of accomplishment upon reaching the bottom is immense. The path is lined with lush greenery and offers stunning views at every turn, making the hike an adventure in itself. You'll be blown away by its beauty. The beach itself is a pristine stretch of sand bordered by clear, inviting waters. The dramatic cliffs that surround it add to its allure, creating a picturesque setting that is perfect for photography. Whether you're looking to relax on the sand, swim in the ocean, or simply take in the views, Kelingking Beach offers it all. This is a place where you can reconnect with nature and experience the thrill of adventure. The untouched beauty of Kelingking Beach provides a perfect backdrop for a variety of activities. From snorkeling in the clear waters to exploring the surrounding cliffs, there's something for every adventurer. The beach is also a great spot for wildlife enthusiasts, as you might spot sea turtles and other marine life. So, what are you waiting for? The allure of Kelingking Beach is undeniable, and it's a destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. Whether you're an avid adventurer or someone looking to unwind in a beautiful setting, this beach has something to offer. The journey to get there is part of the experience, adding to the sense of adventure and discovery. Pack your bags and go explore, embrace the adventure and make your way to Kelingking Beach. It's a destination that promises not just stunning views and a serene environment, but also memories that will last a lifetime. So gear up, prepare for the trek and get ready to be amazed by one of the most beautiful beaches in the world.